In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure on Adobe Acrobat. If you need to check dimensions inside a PDF, Adobe Acrobat has a built-in measurement feature that makes the process quick and practical. This is especially useful when you're reviewing plans, layouts, or any document where size and spacing matter. I'll walk you through exactly how to access the tool and use the different measurement options available. First, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to measure is already on screen. Before you begin, it helps to zoom into the section you want to work on so you can place your measurements more accurately. A clear view will make dragging and selecting much easier. Once your PDF is open, go to the All Tools tab. This is where Acrobat keeps a range of extra features beyond basic viewing and editing. In the Tools list, select Measure Objects. This opens the measurement options you'll need for working directly on the page. After that, click on the measuring tool. This activates measurement mode and prepares Acrobat to calculate dimensions based on where you click and drag. When the tool is active, you're ready to start measuring elements inside the document. Now click and drag on the page. As you drag across the area you want to measure, Acrobat will display the measurement for that line. And in this case, it will start measuring in inches. Try to begin and end your drag as precisely as possible for the most accurate results. If needed, you can undo and repeat the measurement until it lines up exactly where you want it. You can also change the measurement settings depending on what you need to calculate. By default, you may be using the distance tool, which is ideal for measuring a straight line, but Acrobat also lets you switch to the perimeter tool or the area tool. The perimeter tool is helpful when you want to measure the total length around a shape, while the area tool is useful for calculating the size of a surface or enclosed space. In addition to that, you can choose between different snap types. There are 4 snap options available, including the current one being used to measure line distance in inches. Snap settings can help the measurement tool align more cleanly with points, edges, or other elements in the PDF, which can improve accuracy and make your measurements feel more controlled. And that's how to measure on Adobe Acrobat. Once you know where the tool is and how to switch between its options, measuring inside a PDF becomes much more efficient.